Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm here in Australia to open a parcel from, I can't see who sent me this. It's got no return address on it, so I'm just going to be, it's going to be a surprise. I like surprises, it's a good surprise, isn't it? Oh dear. It's only, well, it's about 6:30 in the evening and it's dark outside and winter's sneaking along. And winter time sneaking along, but it's still warm. Oh dear, look what I got here. Oh, isn't this beautiful? Oh, look at that. Oh, I do love that. Oh, I might have to try that myself. Isn't that lovely? Oh, thank you. Who are you? Let me see. Who are you? Penny Humphreys. Oh, Penny, look, finally, it's here. She's been looking for this. And isn't this, I do love this. Oh, I'm going to make me some of this. Oh, this ribbon trim. Isn't it nice? Wait a minute, look at the card first. Go steady bit at a time, Sonia. Oh, this is lovely, Penny, isn't it beautiful? Oh, this is so pretty. Very precious. Thank you so much, Penny. This is lovely. Thank you for all your great tutorials. Have learnt so much from you. Carry on the good work. Hope weather is cooler for you in Aussie land. And yes, it is, Penny. So this is Penny Humphreys, and she has a YouTube channel, and she is also in the UK. And she does so many lovely things. She does lots of different things. So, and she sent me a little padded heart. That's so precious, isn't it? Thank you. And look at this, and she's got a feather there. Looks like a fish, doesn't it? You know, like, it's what, look at that. Doesn't it look like a fish? And a feather too, yes. It's very nice, thank you. I love the purple. I do love that. Thank you so much. A beautiful card. Thank you so much, Penny. That's lovely. Beautiful presentation. Thank you. And look at this here that I've got. Look at what I got here. Look at this beautiful piece of material. I'm gonna have to go. I'm working on stuff, but I'm always doing so much things, you know. Always doing so much. Look at it, isn't it nice? It's a new ribbon thing. People are doing a bit of ribbon, isn't it good? And you got a button. There's a button. Oh yeah. Oh, isn't this cool? Oh, you could wear these for braces if you want to. Oh, it is so lovely. Look at that. Oh, I do love that, Penny. Thank you so much. I've seen the different ladies. Roseanne might be one of them. I think she does a sort of thing like this where she makes her own ribbon and that. That's Roxy Car 11. I think she does this sort of thing too. I don't know if Penny's got a video up on this. I don't know if I've seen it. I have so many things that I have to, well, I like to go and watch it. I don't know if I've seen it do this. May have done it. Isn't this amazing? I really do love that. I'm going to roll that up and I'm going to have a try at that too. Oh dear, it's so beautiful. Thank you. I do love that. And the parcel is pretty. Look at the pretty paper. Oh, look at the pretty paper. Crafters love all sorts of things. Is anything with crafting, anything. Oh dear, looks like you sent me one piece. Thank you very much, Penny. This is awesome. Oh, look at that. You've got to send me some few bits of pretty material. Thank you so much. Oh, that's very kind of you. Thank you so very much. Oh, look at this. You got this one here with butterflies. Oh, isn't that nice? Now, I'm sure that I got a piece from Dennis and it had dragonflies on it, and it looks like, you know, the same sort of thing, except hers has got butterflies, and there was dragonflies on the other one. Isn't that nice? Beautiful. Look at that. That is beautiful. Thank you. It's really nice and shiny and, oh, very pretty. Thank you. Oh, look at this one. This is a nice piece. Oh, thank you so much. I do love that. It's velvet stripes. They are nice velvet stripes on the piece of. It's like a furnishing fabric, just the thing though for a page or a cover. Yeah, and there's a nice blue one. Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Real pretty blue piece. A little bit of fluff, but that's okay. It's a bit of fluff doesn't hurt. It's like You know, it's already embellished and made it all shiny. The bit of fluff. Thank you. I wonder if this is a piece of your embroidery. You sent me some before. It may be. Oh, look at that. She does really nice embroidery. Thank you, Penny. It's really beautiful. I'll just get little fluff bits off. We won't worry about them. No, they're not going to hurt anything, are they? Oh, isn't this lovely? I can't even get hold of it the right way, Sonia. That's better. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Thank you very much. I do love daffodils. I do. Isn't that nice? Thank you so much for that. So that's probably a piece that you've done. Thank you. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, goodness me, look at this. Isn't this pretty? Oh, wow. Oh, I do like that. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, I can imagine how the rest of it would look. The colours, all them beautiful colours together. Oh, isn't that lovely? Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Oh, dear, look. You made me this. Isn't this cool? Oh, I do like that. I've thought about this. I've seen it done. I've thought about it, and by gee, I'll have to do some. This can be a cover for my book. One of my books. I'm going to have a lot of books. Isn't this good? Look, she's got a piece for the back. And then she's got all bits of scrap under there. Lots of bits of scrap. And then she's put this beautiful piece of sheer with the sequins over the top of it and stitched it down. And it is awesome. Oh, I do love that. Thank you so much. I do. That is beautiful. Oh, dear, I might be giving you ladies some ideas, but geez, you're giving me a lot of them too, and you don't realise how much stuff out there is to do and how much good things. Looks like there's bits of lace doily and little bits, all sorts of bits of fabric, and they all sort of match in so well and go together so good. Penny, that is lovely. Thank you so much. And I've got this one too. Look at that one. Oh, wow, look at this. She's got pieces of thread under this as well. Now, I don't know, she started out with a piece of felt and put all these bits down. All the fabric, I don't know if you can see, there's pieces of ribbon, of cotton and bits of wool maybe. Yeah, there's bits of ribbon and that in there. Look at that. Oh, wow. Do you have a video up on this too? I'll have to see. I'll have to get you on to doing a bit of that, and then you just freeform it and pull it down. Isn't that good? Oh, I'll get you to make me another 40 or 50 and I'll make a bedspread. Thank you very much, Penny. This is absolutely so wonderful of you. Thank you for being so very kind and sending me all these lovely things and your work and this and the beautiful card. And thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.